Okay, so we're gonna do this. It kind of gets a little weird at times, so we're just gonna start with a new material. This is made from scratch. Yes, we are doing the material for the cars. Okay, now it's weird. Or well, not now, but... Alright, we are going to now... glass. We're just gonna do a simple car for now. We're gonna make it what you call a little weird. But you already see what we've done. We have to pick it up in order for the car to work. We have to do like a little mechanic lift. So now we are going to add a vehicle. Wait, sorry, I have a little bit of a cold. But we are gonna do space kit. Oh no, hell no. My bad. Okay. Okay. This is pretty much it. Now you just go to settings, which is right here on the bottom. We're gonna make it 66 torque. Let's 280. Pretty fast, somewhat. Oh yeah, let's keep it that. Oh, I accidentally deleted it. My bad. But that's how you do it. Bye.